there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. For all my viewers out there and all that gave me a thumbs up, and to all who subscribed, thank you so much. I am absolutely overjoyed and overwhelmed by the amount of views I got to my previous video. So I am truly honored, and I promise that to my subscribers, I will do my best to bring you great material. For all of those viewers out there, whether you just came across my channel or whether you're there or not, I truly thank you for subscribing, because you don't have to subscribe to my channel. There are so many other channels out there, and because you did, I promise you I'm going to try to bring you the best material that I can. I only want to bring my best because I'm representing Dimash, and everything he does is in excellence and perfection, and I know I am nowhere near perfection like he is, but I'm going to try my best to bring you good content. So thank you so much for subscribing.
қайран елі шалқар көлі не болар солдат болып айна көрген күнім ай.
Well, my dear friends, I was on an absolute journey, and I have to tell you, I felt like Dimash was the eagle, and I was hanging on to the wings, and he was soaring so fast and so slow and so high. It felt like I was on a roller coaster ride, and every time he went down or up, I had to literally hold my breath, as you can tell from some of the expressions on my face. So I'm so sorry for that. But this was an absolutely stunning journey, because even though I don't understand completely what it was about, it felt like I was soaring with him, and then we stopped over this land or this place where there was something going on. I don't know, it was darkness or hardship, or it just felt like it was historical or cultural or traditional, and something was going on, and I felt like I was just sitting there resting and just observing, and it was just the strangest feeling. But anyway, if you are familiar with this story and the real true meaning of it, please make a note in the comment section about it, because I honestly would like to know more. And as for Dimash and the instruments, they were like the perfect combination. And I honestly appreciate the traditional and cultural instruments more, because I feel like they are exquisite, and I feel like they are handmade with precision and delicate, authentic, and you can't replicate them, and they're played with emotion and soul. So I honestly appreciate that. And if anyone else out there know what the instruments on the wall in the background are, if you can make a note of them in the description bar too, I would like to get a little more familiar with them, because I honestly appreciate. After this song, it just made me felt like I need to have a special moment just for Dimash. And I sometimes I wonder if people understand the sacrifices he makes to be in the position that he is in, and how hard it might be, because he has been doing this for a while, and it is a heavy mantle to carry for a country when all eyes are on you. He has to be really careful, because he could fall from grace, and it's so easy, and he could ruin his reputation, or the reputation of his family, or the country, so or his grandparents. And for him to be humble and kind and caring as he is, and like missing all the pitfalls that he can fall in that can ruin his life in a second, because we know people aren't always forgiving, and he could be popular now, and then in a second it could all be gone. So Dimash, I want you to know that I truly honor you and appreciate you for all that you're doing for all of us all over the world. We need your gift, and we need your talent. And for everyone else out there who feels like they don't have the gifts and the abilities and talents like Dimash has, I just want you to know that I just want to give you a little clue as to how you can find yours. And then you can be almost, well, you don't have to be like Dimash. You just need to be proficient in your gift. So you remember that thing that you were passionate about, that thing that you do, and it's all consuming and you get joy and pleasure from it, whether you get praise or no praises or people like and don't like. That's the gift. So you all just need to explore it, spend some quiet time, think about it, shut off all the noise, shut off the pandemic. The pandemic is a time for everybody to discover who they really are in their own homes and with their own family and in their own marriage and relationships. So you go and take your time and you find that quiet space or place and rediscover what your gift is. And I promise you, your life will be more fulfilling. So that's my little nugget for you today. Mash, I needed to have that moment for you. So I'm sending you my kisses from here, and for all my dears who appreciate your sacrifice and the mantle that you carry for your country. So, and for everyone that's watching my videos with all the hitches and glitches and they don't complain, there's a special place for you in my heart. So